2 to be exact. Was woo! It's your boy Ty Boast about your back in the building. And you already know I'm here to drop another one. Alright, y'all. In this one right here, I'm gonna basically show you
music licensing
the
reimagined
software that I'm gonna use on this Facebook page. My other one, if anybody can help me out, man, I don't know what's going on. But my other page, I don't know, they blacklisted me. Maybe I got blocked too many times throughout the years. But I'm not getting any pushback. Okay? I'm not getting any pushback. And this is what's really, really making me mad because Facebook is not pushing my posts out, right? So I'm not really doing too well on that page. So I came over here. I deleted about 1,500 people. I made a video when I did it. I deleted some people and I left it, but this was like a long time ago. This is a long
music
time ago.
licensing
So now I'm back on
reimagined.
this page right here. All right, Todd Bossed Up, Facebook/Todd Bossed Up. That's this page right here. Then you'll be able to find me. Show me some love. You come to this page. This is where I'm at. However, the problem with this page is it's just not been working. It hasn't been working either. And I only have about 700
Artlist
friends,
IO.
800 friends. So not too many people seen it. Facebook's not pushing it out. I'm doing as much as I can. I'm very busy. So it's not like, 5 years ago or whatever when I had the time and I was here all day and, my engagements was just crazy. And this is all manual.
Music
Now I have
licensing
software.
reimagined.
So what I'm going to do is, I haven't been really working the software the way I was supposed to be working it because I've just been distracting myself. I don't have no excuses. I've just been distracting myself, just making the wrong decisions when I have software that can actually help me out with some of these things. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you this software that I'm using that disconnects
Artlist
all the
IO.
people on your page that's not messing with you. I have things to do. So while this will be doing this, I'll be doing something else. Right? So let's go ahead and get to it, y'all.
Music licensing reimagined.
Voila. Alright, so right here is the page that I'm not the page, but the software that I'm using. Okay? And as you can see, this is everybody on my friends list. I already synchronized it. See, I can't press it no more. It's already synced. So this is for my Facebook page.
Artlist
Once
IO.
that's synced, then everybody on your friends list will be here. And then what will happen is you look here, has conversation or is active. These two are the main things that you want to worry about when you're dealing with this software. Because these two things right
Music
here will tell you
licensing
everything about
reimagined.
your friends list that you need to know. The important things like, do they conversate with you? Do they show you love? Are they even active? Are they even on Facebook? Okay? And that's what this does. This basically tells you everybody that's active. You see? There's more people. Okay? So right here you see I have 700 friends. I don't have no whitelisted. I deactivated 40.
Artlist
Okay? And I
IO.
lost almost 2,000. And I unfriended 500. So the ones that's lost, these are the people that don't have nothing. Don't have nothing. They even been on Facebook. They ain't got no face, nothing. They just gone. Right? So it picks up all of that stuff. So I
Music
had all of this
licensing
junk
reimagined.
on this page. And it's a whole lot. I just gotta go down here and do more than 10. And you'll see it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. We can do 100. Look, you see? Look at this. These are people that's on my page that they probably interacted before, but they gone. Okay?
Artlist IO.
They no longer here. Okay? Like Monica Gray, I remember this girl here. this guy right here, see, he got another page. Because on this one, he ain't got no picture. Right? And I unfriended 500. So
Music
these are the 500
licensing
that I
reimagined.
And like I said, this is the friends that I have now. Okay? So what I'm interested in right now is getting the people that is not active. So right here, you see active or inactive. So I want to go inactive. So inactive, it will show me the conversations and it will show me the active, right? And if you scroll down, I'm gonna do 100 again.
Artlist.io.
Scroll down, you see all of these people is not even active. Okay, they're not coming on my page. They're not nothing. Okay, they're real people. Okay, there's two ways you can do this. You can either
Music
go to there and
licensing
start going to their page,
reimagined.
right? Like so. Boom. So this person is real. He just don't come to my page. The algorithm is showing that basically he not coming to my page. He basically not coming to my page. So and I'm not coming to his page. So I don't know this guy, but I see that this guy's very well active. So why would I want to give this guy up, right? This guy is somebody that I probably want to pitch to. So I'm gonna have him come to my page. So now I like everything that he got going on. We're already friends. Now I know where he's from, everything like that. Go back.
Music licensing
this one right here,
reimagined.
you want to leave this. Leave that out. You can start going down the list like this. Literally. And you can see if these people are worth your time. Worth your time, literally, because it doesn't mean that that because they didn't get with you. It doesn't mean that basically they're not even around or doing things. But it's key things that I look for, such as friends. This person don't even have enough friends for me, right? So this person is not of any interest to me.
Music licensing reimagined.
I mean, regular stuff, but I mean, she's trying, she's marketing, I guess. So this is like a give or take, right? It's like a give or take with this one. So you can go ahead and start liking this one, so she can maybe come back to my page,
Artlist.io.
Right? This is what you can do. All these people on my page that September. See, the dates are very important. And we got mutual friends. All of this stuff is important. Somebody I might want to keep
Music
as well.
licensing
So these are people that
reimagined.
I actually might not want to deactivate. They get off my page, they just not coming to my page. So now I gotta go to their page. All of these people. So I really got to go through this. I don't really want to deactivate these people here. I don't want to deactivate these people here. Because it's a possibility
Artlist.io.
that they may come to my page and do business.
Music licensing reimagined.
22 hours ago. Okay? So look, this is what we're going to do because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay? I don't want to make this video too long. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this one right here. I'm going to see if I can get me another set. Once I got 100.
Artlist.io.
See, I have to go through these. I don't want to really, because I'm proving basically to
Music licensing reimagined.
Inactive. Got a lot of friends. See, I gotta go through all of this stuff. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. It's definitely possible that I can definitely win with this here. So I didn't do my homework before I got on here and did this. Like I said, when I get on here, I do my
Artlist.io.
So ain't no tricks involved. And I'm literally showing you and teaching you skills as I go. All you gotta do is tap in. Right? All you gotta do is tap in. All of these people might be possible, man. Look at that. Yeah,
Music licensing reimagined.
it's not coming to my page because the algorithms is not fit. So I have to be on here to get it fit. So yeah, I want to show you guys how this works. So
Artlist.io.
anybody with no face is going. Let me see how much I got here. How much people I actually have here that's inactive. I got about 350 people that's inactive. So look, this is what I'm gonna
Music
do.
licensing reimagined.
He's gotta go. He's gotta go. He's gotta go. Because I'm gonna go through all of these people. Probably gonna have to go through them tonight, today, or whatever. Might do a little.
Artlist.io.
Matter of fact, you can probably even catch me live on Facebook demonstrating. I'll probably do something like that. Maybe. Just follow me, man. Tap in. I'm going to get rid of all the ones with no faces. Every last one of them with no faces.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's how I can show you basically how this works. You'll just have to act like I erased everybody that says no, because that's what I would have done. But I see we went through quite a few. They was active. They just not coming to my page. And this is something very important. This is why this tool is very good, because there's two ways you can use it. You can use it just if you just want to just get ahead and just delete, and you definitely delete people who's not.
Artlist.io.
This is a fact. And you're not going to their page. This is a fact. So these are all of the people that's in your page. Because remember, Facebook only lets you see about 5 to 10% of the people that you actually deal with anyway. Unless you in performance mode, and then you doing some more, performance stuff, and then you engage it. And
Music licensing
Facebook
reimagined.
all day doing it. If you can honestly do that, you can make money. But some of these people, they're not smart. They sitting here, I have 14,000 likes. You got 14,000 likes, and you always saying, let's go, let's grow. Man, stupid. You need to get with me. You need to get with me. If you're doing 14,000, you need to get with me. I could put some money in your pocket.
Artlist.io.
Seriously, because you lit. I'm not lying, man. I'm not lying. You got a lot of engagement on your page. You playing yourself. You got a business. But yeah. So that's all we have so far.
Music licensing reimagined.
Because I'm really gonna go through this, because right now I'm on a grind, and I'm really gonna try to do what I gotta do for real. Because it's winter time about to come up, and my thing gotta be rocking. I want everything autopilot and stuff like that. Alright? So this is what we're gonna do. Those people that I hit, unfriend.
Artlist.io.
See? That was the person on the bottom. Okay. So at least you get to see it working with a couple couple of
Music
people that I have
licensing
chosen,
reimagined.
and we can sit here and do this together. Now
Artlist.io.
imagine you had 100, 200, 300 people to disconnect. You're gonna really sit here on your Facebook and try to find all of those people that's not interacting with you? This gets it in one shot. You know right away who's interacting with you. And then you got, let's say, 100 people,
Music
300 people,
licensing
400 people.
reimagined.
Some of you guys got 4,000 or 5,000 friends. You can have 1,000 people that's not interacting with your page, never been to your page, you never been to their page, nothing. What would you do? You just gonna get rid of them? No, I just showed you what to do. I showed you can, before you get rid of them, you go to their page and you see if they're active. If you have quite a few people that's not active, you get rid of them off the rip. And this is what it does. Or you can just say, hey, you know what? I got these people interacting with me. Since these people don't want to interact with me, I don't have time. I'm just gonna get rid of them and go find me some new ones. And it's done. See?
Music licensing reimagined.
Boom. So, it got rid of those people, and we here. So, like I told you before, this video is basically done, okay? Because I got rid of those people. What I have to do now, I have to go through these people right here and give it about a couple of days, maybe a week, with the people that I interacted with, and keep interacting with them as much as I can. There's no way I'm gonna be busy doing what I do and interacting with all these people every day, except that I set up software and just do this. Set up some time, and I make sure I do this every day, and I go to their page and I comment and whatever I gotta do to make them come back. After a week,
Music
get rid of them.
licensing
Then you
reimagined.
synchronize this again. If they interacted with you, it'll show. If it doesn't show, then get rid of them, and then boom, start again. I only got 300 to get rid of, so this is not a lot. So I do have another software. If you liking this one, then my other software is a headbanger, because it basically do the opposite of what this does. It gets friends, understand? And it's targeted friends. Just like this is targeted, you know exactly who and what they doing and everything, where they from. It's targeted. So whatever business that you in, whatever niche that you in, whatever product you pushing or service, you can get to those people that's interested in it, that's doing it, like-minded people like you.
Music licensing
Yeah, but I'm gonna show all of you
reimagined.
this. You guys gotta just tap in, show some love on my channel. You know what I mean? And that's that. So that's the end of this video, because I gotta really just do this. You know? So excuse me, pardon. We can scroll down and you can see that those names is gone. See, those names is gone. So they up out of here, the ones that I have chosen. And I'm gonna go through this whole thing by the end of the night. I guess, hopefully. You know, we'll see what happens. But tap in, man, show me some love. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Boss up! Or continue to get bossed around. You know we boss up the little